G'day, thanks so much for joining us at Integrate 2025 and welcome to the D10 stand. My name's Rory Martin, I'm the General Manager of Asia Pacific for D10. Today we're going to give a bit of a product overview of some of our latest products and latest generation products. Here today we have the D7X75 Android system. So this is running Teams Rooms on Android today. It can also be configured to run Zoom Rooms or run in BYOD mode as well. So this is a 75-inch board, interactive board. We have our View Pro camera system, which is a multi-room camera system, which is very easy to configure. So typically what would happen is you'd buy the board and then you can add additional cameras to the board, and they just slot in via USB-C here, which is really cool. And then the board will recognize the cameras. And you can essentially just click one touch join to join into a meeting. So here we're running a Teams meeting, and we can add multiple participants into this call as well. So to get the cameras to work, all we need to do is basically go on here, enable composite mode, and this board will start basically auto-framing all the participants in the meeting room space. Using AI technology and Microsoft Teams. So you can see it's going a little bit crazy there because we're at an event, but if you were in a meeting room, it would basically be capturing everyone sitting around the boardroom table. You can drop the call that easily by just tapping off. A couple of other things is it's a fully interactive board as well. If you want to config our multi-camera system, it's one touch to config them. Here you'll see all cameras will turn on, and you can adjust the sensitivity of the cameras. The way we do this is very different to our competitors. So they'll have a center of room table camera, and then they'll have a front of room display. Whereas at D10, we're positioning all the cameras at the front of the room and capturing all the participants from the front of the room. So it doesn't require to have infrastructure at the center of the table, which can at most times be quite clunky and people don't actually know where to look. So yeah, super easy to configure. You just click next and then done, and all your cameras are configured, and then you can go back and then go straight into Teams again, and you've got a room system that's ready to roll. Couple of other things. You can start sharing content straight away if you had HDMI or BYOD plugged in. It's a fully immersive whiteboard as well. So yeah, pretty powerful solution from D10 and available at Midwich. So this is one of our flagship new solutions. This is called D10 Bar Medium Room Kit. It's the first bar that can be vertically mounted in a meeting space between two screens. It can also be mounted above a screen or below a screen. The camera will actually automatically rotate based on its orientation. And then today what we've done is we have a bar running Teams Rooms on Android, and we have added additional booster speakers to the bar. So the booster speakers connect via a Wi-Fi mesh network and then connect to our bar to provide an amplified sound experience in the room. You can have up to 20 of these speakers in a meeting space, so really delivering some really immersive, awesome sound. This room system is also configured today with the View Pro camera set. So these cameras will allow for 5 cameras in a meeting room space, capturing participants at the middle of the table and at the rear of the boardroom table. And we have a controller here as well, which comes in this full kit. And it's that easy. You just tap on the meeting will start up on Teams, and then essentially you can have a full experience running Teams. The exact same bar can be configured to do everything you've just seen on Zoom as well. And again, this is all available from Midwich, and yeah, really cost-effective solution. Delivering small, medium and large room meeting experiences from a bar component type system.